In this video, I'll guide you through how to edit a published post on Substack. Whether you've noticed a typo, want to update a link, or need to add new information, editing a live post is quick and straightforward once you know where to look. I'll walk you through each part of the process so you can confidently make changes without worrying about breaking anything on your publication. First, open your browser and go to substack.com. If you're not already signed in, log in to the account that manages your publication. It's important that you're in the right workspace, especially if you have access to more than one Substack. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your main dashboard, which is the control center for everything you publish. On the left side of the screen, you'll see a navigation menu. Look for the section labeled Content. This is where all of your drafts, scheduled posts, and published posts are organized. Click on the option that says Published. This view filters your content so you're only seeing posts that are already live and visible to your subscribers. Take a moment to scroll through the list and find the specific published post you want to edit. The posts are usually listed in reverse chronological order with your most recent work at the top. When you found the right one, look to the right side of that post's row for a small icon with 3 vertical dots. This is often called the More Options menu. Click on those 3 dots. A small menu will appear with several actions you can take on that post. From this menu, choose the option labeled Edit. As soon as you click it, Substack will open the post in the editor, very similar to how it looked when you first wrote it. Now you're in the editing environment. Here, you can change anything you need, fix spelling or grammar, replace images, update links, adjust your title, or refine the body of the post. Take your time and review the entire piece, not just the part you originally meant to correct. This is a good chance to catch any other small issues you might have missed before publishing. As you're making changes, keep in mind that these edits will affect the version of the post that people see on your site. If the post was also sent as an email to subscribers, the web version will update, but the already delivered emails will usually stay as they were. For that reason, it can be helpful to focus on clarity and correctness for anyone reading the post on your publication going forward. When you're satisfied with your edits, look toward the top right corner of the editor for the button that says Update. This is what saves and republishes your changes to the live post. Click Update and wait a moment for Substack to process the update. After it finishes, your corrections are now live on your publication. To double check everything, you can view the post as a reader by opening it from your published list again and scanning through it one more time. And that's all you need to do to edit a published post on Substack.